What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. As you can see, we have Project Storm, and we have an awesome new huge modification coming up soon. Big install video, and this thing is going to get Project Storm moving out the hole. So as you can see, the big box on top of Storm, we have Circle D triple disc converter. So we definitely want to give Circle D a huge thanks for helping us out with Project Storm. All right, guys, so right off the rip, we open the box up. We got a cool pen, we got some stickers, we got a beer koozie, and we got bigger bolts because this thing is going to make a massive improvement, and we have to drill out the flex plate to accept these larger bolts, as we got the bad boy of all bad boys right here in the box. All right, guys, so what we got from Circle D is we got the big dog of their converters. We got a 34 to 3600 Circle D Pro Series triple disc converter for Project Storm. This thing is going to make a huge difference on getting Project Storm out of the hole. As everyone knows, it's a big truck, 4-door crew cab, 4x4. So this converter is going to be huge for Project Storm and getting that truck to start running the ET numbers that it should be running already. Also, this converter fits the 5 speeds and the 6 speeds. So it'll work for the 545s and the 65 RFE transmissions. So if you're looking for a bad to the bone converter, this will fit your 5-speed or 6-speed RAM. So this is the Circle D Pro Series triple disc converter out of the box. And she is a beauty. Absolutely gorgeous. It's too bad you can't see it all the time, but it's going to do us wonders when it's inside that transmission, that's for sure. So there you go, guys. That's the huge new modification we got coming for Project Storm. Circle D triple disc converter, bad to the bone. Triple disc means that we can beat on this thing hardcore and it is not gonna slip. So again, huge thanks to Circle D for hooking us up and helping out Project Storm. As always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of the Circle D converter. If you have a Circle D converter, comment down below how it's working for you. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next one.